The definition of the Filipino word mabuti. So here are the different meanings of mabuti. So the first one is good. It can mean good in general sense. So this is the most common meaning referring to quality, nature, or character. It can also mean kind or good-hearted. It describes someone with a benevolent and compassionate nature. It can also mean well or healthy, refers to a person's physical or mental state. It can also be fine or okay, which indicates a satisfactory or acceptable condition. It can also mean right or correct, imply something is accurate or proper, and it can also mean advantageous or beneficial, which suggests something that brings positive outcomes. Let us have the following example sentences. Mabuti ang kanyang puso. His or her heart is good, or he or she is a kind person. Kanya is his or her. It's gender neutral. Puso is heart. Mabuti ang kanyang puso. Mabuti ba ang iyong pakiramdam? Do you feel well? Do you feel okay? Pakiramdam is like feeling. So mabuti ba ang iyong pakiramdam? Kay buti mo. That means how good you are or you are so kind. Kay buti mo. Mas mabuti ito kesa doon. So this is better than that. Mas mabuti ito kaysa doon. Siya ang pinakamabuti sa lahat. He or she is the best of all because siya here it's gender neutral. So it's either he or she. Siya ang pinakamabuti sa lahat. Lahat is like everything or everyone. So siya of all the people in a way. So siya ang pinakamabuti sa lahat. Ang pagkain ay inihandang mabuti, so the food was prepared well. Ang pagkain ay inihandang mabuti. Handa is like prepare, pagkain is food. May mabuting nangyari sa kanya. Something good happened to him or her. So kanya, as what we've mentioned, it's gender neutral. It would either be him or her. Nangyari is like an event. So may mabuting nangyari sa kanya. Mabuting kaibigan ko siya. He or she is my good friend. A kaibigan is a friend. Mabuting kaibigan ko siya. Sa mabuting lugar siya nakatira. That means he or she lives in a good place, in a nice place. Sa mabuting lugar siya nakatira. Tira is like live and then lugar is a place. Nagbigay ako ng mabuting payo sa kanya. I gave him or her a good advice. Bigay is give and then a payo is an advice sa kanya is to him or to her, which is gender neutral. Nagbigay ako ng mabuting payo sa kanya. Sa pamamagitan ng mabuting edukasyon, umunlad siya. That means through good education, he or she progressed. Pamamagitan is through and then edukasyon is education. Umunlad is like progressed. So sa pamamagitan ng mabuting edukasyon, umunlad siya. Ang kanyang kabaitan ay nagdulot ng mabuting resulta. So his or her kindness brought about good results. Kabaitan is kindness. Dulot is like bring. And then resulta is result. So ang kanyang kabaitan ay nagdulot ng mabuting resulta. Mabuti ang kanyang intensyon at maayos ang kanyang mga gawa. His or her intentions are good and his or her actions are proper. Kanyang intention is his or her intention, and then gawa is like the deeds or the things that he are actions in this here. So mabuti ang kanyang intensyon at maayos ang kanyang mga gawa. Naniniwala ako na mabuti ang kanyang layunin. I believed that his or her purpose was good. So naniniwala is believe. And then layunin is like the purpose or the aim. Kanyang layunin is his or her purpose. Naniniwala ako na mabuti ang kanyang layunin. Mabuti ang kanyang sagot. His or her answer is correct or good. Sagot is answer and then kanya is his or her. Kanyang sagot, his or her answer. Mabuti ang kanyang sagot.